Now, take a look. Here's the planet Earth. If you click and hold, you can change your view. You can make it spin a little bit. You can tilt. All right. Here's the controls we're going to use. If you want to zoom in like this, if you're on a laptop, a 2-finger swipe will zoom you in and out. Okay, that's how I'm zooming in and out. This is a joystick, and what it does is it lets you move to the left and to the right. Just fart around with that for a little bit. Now, the next thing we have over here is we have this. All right, right now, north is up, but I can click this and I can hold it and I can change my perspective. Okay? And if I ever want to, like, let's say I'm over here like this, if I ever want to get north back to up, I can just go here and double click it and it does it for me automatically. Now, here's the fun part. Okay, let's zoom in. Let's go to, where should we go? Let's go to good old Mount Pleasant here. Let's go Pickard. Where are we going? Here's Pickard and Mission. Let's go a little further this way. And we are now Fancher, Franklin. Let's go a little bit further. Washington. Here's the baseball fields. And all right, here we go. Here's the train tracks. Okay. I'm looking straight down on this. Okay, now I want to direct your attention to the bottom of the screen here. All right, here's the scale bar. Okay, that distance right there is 546 feet. Well, that's sort of an odd number, but we can change it just by zooming in and out. Okay, look over here. The date of this imagery. These photos are dated the 25th of September 2013, so kind of recent. That's pretty good. And it also gives us our latitude in degrees, minutes, and seconds, in fractions of a second. So right here, here's a local business, Mount Pleasant Brewing Company. Its latitude. Oh, by the way, notice how these numbers change. Look down in the lower right hand and you see how these numbers are changing because I'm moving my little grabby hand here. So let's put my grabby hand right there and read the numbers at the bottom. 43 degrees, 36 minutes, 43.22 seconds, north of the equator. And 84 degrees, 47 minutes, and almost 2 seconds west of the prime meridian in England. Okay, 760 feet above sea level. See where it says 760 feet above sea level? Well, check it out. Now let's move our hand over to up and over to the upper right, and we're going to cross this blue building, and we're going to go to the river and see how our elevation has changed here. Okay, so we got 760 feet over here in this parking lot. The river is higher. Huh? How's the river higher? Wait, is that right? Yeah, 2 feet higher here, 1 foot higher. Well, what that means is if you walk straight from here, you're going to just go up just the slightest bit, hit the bank of the river, and then see that. Okay. There's a little bit of error in some of these measurements because what you see here, according to this, the bank of the river is 751 feet, the water is 765 feet. Okay, clearly a resolution error. Google Earth gives you nice ballparks. All right, but that's not the interesting part. Oh, okay, one more thing. Eye altitude here. According to this, it looks like we are 3,250 feet above this. So if we were an airplane, in order for this part of Mount Pleasant to look like this, we would be 3,200 feet above it. So that lowers as we go down. So let's just take it to as close to 3,000 as we can. And you can spend a lot of time doing that. So I'm just going to leave it there, 3,200 feet.